Hello and welcome to CBS Institute. Welcome to Current Affairs Quiz. Let's get started with the first question. To which of the following countries has India sent 1000 metric tons rice and 1 lakh hydroxychloroquine tablets because of severe drought in the country? See, the country Madagascar, which has been facing severe drought conditions for the past 3 to 4 years. So in order to help this country, India has recently sent 1000 metric tons rice and also 1 lakh hydroxychloroquine tablets to the country Madagascar. See, these tablets are generally used to treat malaria. So 1000 metric ton rice and 1 lakh hydroxychloroquine tablets were sent to the country Madagascar. So for sending this consignment, the INS Jalashwa, this is the cargo ship used for sending these rice and 1 lakh hydroxychloroquine tablets. So the country is Madagascar, and also a point to be kept in mind is the name of the ship which has been used in this consignment. So INS Jalashwa. So Indian naval ship is INS. So here answer is Madagascar. Option B is the correct answer. See, the country Madagascar, the capital city of this country is Antananarivo, and Madagascar, that is Madagascar, Ariary. This is the name of the currency. So here option B is the correct answer. Next question. Nand Kumar Singh Chanhar has recently, this is actually Nand Kumar Singh Chauhan has recently passed away. He is associated with which political party? See, any famous figure, any famous personality passes away, then you have to know what is his name and also his profession earlier, and if he is a politician, the name of the political party that he has association. Okay, so here Nand Kumar Chauhan has recently passed away. He is associated with which of the following political parties? See, he was associated with the Bharatiya Janata Party. So he is actually member of parliament, former member of parliament, 6-time MP, Lok Sabha, member of parliament from Khandwa constituency, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Khandwa constituency, Madhya Pradesh. If the level of difficulty has to be increased in the paper, then constituency can also be a question in our exam. Okay, so if examiner wants to increase the level of difficulty, then question could be Nand Kumar Singh Chauhan has passed away recently. Then he was former Lok Sabha MP. From which of the following constituencies could be a question? So here Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh. Option A is the correct answer, that is Bharatiya Janata Party. Next question. How many regional rural banks are there in India currently? See, RRBs, regional rural banks, are very important for the development of rural sector in rural areas. So here currently there are 43 regional rural banks in India. And the history of regional rural banks was already discussed in our earlier videos. See, RRBs were established on the recommendations of Narasimhan Committee. The first RRB was established on October 2nd, 1975. Okay, so the Prathama Gramina Bank was the first RRB in India established on this date on Moradabad district of Uttar Pradesh. So we have already discussed the shareholding ratio as well. Okay, so for your convenience, I am going to discuss it again. 50% is central government shareholding, and next one, that is 15% is state government, and 35% is sponsored bank. 35% sponsored bank. So all these three are important. Okay, so currently there are 43 regional rural banks are there in India. As of now, 43. Option C is the correct answer, 43. Next question. Who among the following has recently been awarded the CERAWeek Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award? See, CERA stands for CERA. CERA stands for Cambridge Energy Research Associates. Research Associates. See, this is a United States of America based consulting company. Consulting company. So this consulting company every year presents an award that is called CERAWeek Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award. See, this year this award has been presented to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his commitment to expanding India's leadership in sustainable development to meet India's and world's future energy needs. So for this purpose, Narendra Modi has been conferred with the award of, that is, CERAWeek Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award. See, recently CERA also observed CERAWeek from 1st to 5th March. 1st to 5th March 2021. There is also a theme for this week, that is the new map, energy, climate, and charting the future. So this is the theme of CERAWeek, also a point to be kept in mind. So it is Narendra Modi. Option B is the correct answer, Narendra Modi. Next question. Federal Reserve is the central bank of which country? See, Federal Reserve is the central bank of the country United States of America. See, central bank is a bank which has been entrusted with the responsibility of guiding and regulating the entire banking industry in a particular country. So in USA, the regulator is Federal Reserve, that is, it's a central bank. Okay, in India, central bank is Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI. So Federal Reserve is the central bank of which of the following countries is the question? United States of America. Option C is the correct answer.